Welcome to the first lecture of this course. In this video, we will discuss the interface of Stata. This is Stata 17, but you will encounter almost the same interface in all the editions of the Stata till now. So, this interface is divided into 5 sections, or we call it 5 windows. This one is the command window. Here we have to give command of the output which we want to get. And let's suppose, for example, we give a command here and then we press enter. So the result will out. So this is how things are done in Stata. The next window is called the output window or the result window. Here we will get the results of all the commands given. Here we can only select things or copy things. We will select things on the left click and we will then press right click and we can copy the results. This one is the history window or the review window. All the previous given command will be displayed here. If you want to run any previous command, then you have to just click on it and press enter. Another way is to double click on this thing and the result will come out quickly. This one is the variable window. Here, all the variables which are imported in Stata will be displayed. In Stata, when we give name of the variable, so Stata does not support spaces in the names. So here you can see that there is no spaces in the name of variables, while there is spaces in the label of variables. This one is the property windows. This section is further divided into two. One is variable and then one is data. Data window gives information of complete data, while variable give information about specific selected variable. So instead, in data, we can see that this is the frame, this is the name of the file, and this is the label of the file, and how many variables are there. There are 6 variables and number of observations are this 68 and size and memory. And if data is sorted by some variable, then it will display it here. While if we select a specific variable, let's suppose we select population growth from the above variable window, then here in this variable window, in this properties of variable window, then it will display all the properties of that specific variable, like the name of variable, the label of variable, the type of variable, format of variable, and if there is any nodes, then it will also display it here. And we can resize all the windows using while go to one of the side, and we can just drag, pull and drag. You can also change the layout of this data and also change the appearance of this data. For this, we will have to go to this edit and preferences, and we'll go to general preferences. In general preferences, we can change the color scheme of this whole data. So this is light. So from here we can change it to light gray. Just a second, and then blue. In a few seconds, then it will the color will change to blue and to dark. And after that, in a few seconds, it will change to dark. And then we have to click this apply, and then it will apply. So I want this light color, so we will apply this light color. We can also change the appearance as well. For this, we'll go to edit again and then go to preferences and then to load preferences, and from here we can change this layout. Let's suppose we change the layout to some other. So we have clicked on any other, and then the layout is changed. This one is the command window now. This one is the result window, and the history window, variable window, and the properties window. So, and these are the menus and submenus This is file and edit and something data and graphics. And these are quick access bar. So we will discuss these two later on the next video. So this is from today. See you in the next video. Bye for now.